This is how SpongeBob SquarePants has evolved over the past 26 years. The very first SpongeBob episode aired on July 17, 1999. This was the first time we saw the iconic Pineapple House. And SpongeBob's design was slightly different. His shoes were more like sandals. He had 3 fingers instead of 2, and his eyes were way bigger. The second episode aired just 2 months later in September of 1999. Here we start to see the first changes. His Pineapple House was now smaller and closer to its final design. His eyes were a lot smaller, more in line with what we're used to today, and his shoes were now yellow. Over the next few years, SpongeBob's character design would go through several more changes. By 2002, his pants were a lot darker, almost black. His swimming trunks were also much more revealing. And by 2004, his shoes were a bright pink color. This lasted until 2008 when they reverted back to yellow. SpongeBob's proportions also changed throughout the years. He started off very skinny, but over time he got a lot thicker. Also, the show's creators confirmed that SpongeBob's species is supposed to be an interpretation of a sea sponge. However, fans have noticed that SpongeBob looks more like a yellow starfish than a sea sponge. And this has led to some people believing that the show creators changed SpongeBob's species over time, but this is not true. The show creators always intended for SpongeBob to be a sea sponge. The reason why he looks like a starfish is because of the way sea sponges are actually designed in real life. They look more like stars than they do like traditional sponges. So yeah, SpongeBob's character design has changed quite a bit since 1999, but it has always been a gradual process. Nothing really changed all that much from season to season. If anything, these changes made SpongeBob look more refined over the years. The biggest change to SpongeBob's character actually came in 2020 when the show went from 4:3 aspect ratio to 16:9 aspect ratio. This gave us a brand new SpongeBob, one that was whiter, shorter, and more square. Now you know. Hit the like button for more SpongeBob facts every day.